Welcome back to another Dollar Tree review. Today we're going to be reviewing the LaColors Velvet Lip Mousse. This is $1.25 at your local Dollar Tree. There was only 2 shades available at my Dollar Tree. It has a nice light coconut or vanilla scent. And it comes in this nice petite packaging, which I really love. And the shade I have is Rhapsody. And this is just a beautiful berry tone lip shade, perfect for fall and winter. The claims on the product are, this is a velvet lip mousse. It dries matte but feels velvety and comfortable on your lips. The application says to also apply a gloss on your lips after you apply this, but if you're looking for that matte velvety finish, why would you want to apply a gloss over top of this? I guess it's just a suggestion. This is a creamy velvety formula, a smooth even application with this product. This product also is super pigmented. I've worn this several times now and it's never dried down matte for me to a full matte. It does apply matte, like no gloss finish, there's no shine to it. It applies very nicely, but it's never dried down fully matte. This does transfer, it does move around, it bleeds outside of your lip line, and it does stain. If you apply this and immediately go to eating or drinking, this is moving around on your lips. It can easily be removed with a makeup remover or some lip oil. Overall, I do like this product. I love the formula of this. I love the scent. I love wearing it. It's really beautiful and rich and pigmented, and the wear time is very short. Did move while I was eating and drinking and wore off in a very short period of time. I definitely recommend checking them out, even with the issues that I experienced. The formula is fantastic. Like the feel, the application, the pigment, it's all there. That has been my review for the LaColors Velvet Lip Mousse. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, found it helpful, and will try the product out for yourself. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree reviews. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional Dollar Tree links.